Hi, my name is Sarah Jane Hall, and these are my colleagues. We are nurses on Blake 12, a designated COVID-19 intensive care unit at Mass General Hospital. We are caring for the sickest population of corona patients and are preparing for the numbers to continue to grow. Working in an ICU, we are faced with life and death every day and are dedicated to saving as many lives as possible. But I would be lying if I said I wasn't scared. Hospitals across the country are low on protective equipment. We are allotted 1 mask per day to conserve and prepare for the worst. 1 mask to protect ourselves from catching and spreading this deadly virus to our colleagues and loved ones. To everyone else, we still desperately need your help. The only way to stop the spread of this virus is to stay home. If you have access to surgical masks, N95 respirators, or other protective equipment, please donate them to your local hospitals to help protect those of us on the front lines. We all have a part to play in flattening the curve. We are begging you to do yours so we can do ours.